Hello and welcome to My Deal Oman. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can resize your images to publish your coupons on My Deal Oman. The image size required to publish coupons on My Deal Oman is 500 pixel width and 450 pixel height. To resize our images, let's head over to befunky.com. befunky.com is a free-to-use website which allows you to create banners and resize your image with very little effort. Once you're at the website, click the photo editor icon. Click the upload button to choose the pictures or photos you wish to resize. As you can see, the picture we are about to resize has a width of 1500 pixels and a height of 1125 pixels. We will use a two-step method to reduce this photo to our desired size. In the first step, we will choose the resize option. Make sure that the lock aspect ratio is selected and shows a tick mark. You should now change the value of height to 450 pixels. Make sure not to alter the width of the image. After confirming the size, you will see that the photo is still not of the desired size. So for the second step, we will choose the crop option. In the crop window, make sure that the lock aspect ratio is switched off. Now you can change the width of the photo to 500 pixel and the height of the photo to 450 pixel. Once you're done, use the save button to download the photo to your computer. If you have any questions or would like our assistance in resizing your coupon pictures, you can send us an email at support@mydealoman.com or WhatsApp us at 93294 123. Thank you and have a great day.